Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02273 error in Oracle Database 12c. So I have logged in as a common user called c#ascot in SQL Plus Editor. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the queries. Okay. Now there are two tables, person 5 and person 6 here. Person 5 is the primary key table, person 6 is the foreign key table. Okay, so let me open the SQL Plus SQL developer and I will show you in the model diagram. So this is the model diagram. You can see that person 5 name column is referred by person 6 table. Okay, is referred by person 6 table, which means that person 6 table contains foreign key. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to drop the primary key, that is I am going to drop the primary key or unique key in person 5 table. Okay, I am going to drop the unique key constraint and drop the unique or primary key constraint in person 5 table. Okay, see here ORA-02273, this unique or primary key is referenced by some foreign keys. So this error will be thrown when you try to drop a primary key or foreign which is referred by foreign key tables. Okay, when you drop a primary key or unique key, this error will be thrown, that is it is referenced by foreign key table. Okay, so make sure that whether you drop the foreign key, then you proceed with dropping the unique key or primary key in master table. Okay, so what I am going to do, let me fix it. So I am going to drop the foreign key table. I am going to drop the foreign key table, drop table person 6. So all the foreign key constraints will be dropped. Okay, now let me alter the person 5 table. Now I drop the constraint in person 5 table. Okay, so this fix is not recommended anyway. This is just to show how to fix this ORA-02273 issue. Okay.